All right, so I had a bunch of you guys asking me how to do the Mouse Genetics 2 Activity C on Google Classroom on the Google form. And it is a stretch, and you're not going to be using the Gizmos much. So it's basically just being able to practice using everything you know about Punnett squares and putting them into one giant one, okay? So I went ahead and I copied down the information that they gave me on my own Punnett square. And what you're going to do to start off is you're just going to fill it in. So we took our F and we put it here. This F, we put it here. This E was here. And this E we put here. I'm going to work my way across. I feel like it's easier for me to do it that way. My F is here. My capital F is here. Remember, your dominant allele is always going to be listed first. So we're going to put the capital E here. And we're going to put our lowercase e here. For the next box, we're going to do our dominant allele goes first. So our capital F, my lowercase f, capital E, capital E. Then I've got, again, dominant allele goes first, capital F, lowercase f, capital E, lowercase e. Next row, we've got capital F, capital E, lowercase e, capital F, lowercase e, capital F, remember dominant allele first, lowercase f, bring it down, capital E, bring it down, lowercase e, bring it to the side. It really doesn't matter how you do this, if you go down the rows or if you go side by side. It doesn't matter if you bring it down first or you go right first. The only thing that matters is that the dominant allele always gets listed first, okay? I'm going to be posting a couple more practice videos probably on Thursday, just to help you guys. I know this is a process learning it without being in class, so we just have to be patient and practice this as much as we can with the practice problems, okay? For this box, we got our capital F, lowercase f, capital E, lowercase e. This box, I'm going to do my, capital F, lowercase f, lowercase e, lowercase e. My next one, I'm going to do my capital F, lowercase f, capital E, lowercase e. And notice how my F's and my E's are together. They are not F-E, F-E. They're together. Same letters stay together, same alleles, because we got fur color and eye color, okay? So then we're going to do big F, big E, little e. I've got my little f, big E, little f, big E, little e. Then I've got my big F, little e, big F, little f, big E, little e, big F, big E, little e, little f, big E, little e, little f, little e, little e. So this is what your Punnett square should look like when you are finished filling it in. The next step you have to do, I went ahead and did it with colors. All you've got to do is list the possible genotypes. So I basically just went in and I started with this box right here. And if it was a new genotype, I listed it. If it was a repeat, I wrote how many there were. So there's only one capital F, capital E, capital E. So I put that with 1. In this Punnett square, I went ahead and color coded it as well. I think I said pink. If you see a pink box, those are going to be mice that are black fur, black eyes. If you see green, it's going to be black fur with red eyes. If you see yellow, that's going to be white fur with black eyes. And if you see red, that's going to be white fur and red eyes, okay? So all I really did, like I said, I went through, there are a lot of different combinations you can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 different genotype combinations that you could have gotten and 4 different phenotypes that we could have gotten. So this is what a table of the results from my Punnett square. The last thing Activity C asks you to do at one point, I believe, it's to tell the probability of each one. So when I go through, I have 1 that's capital F, capital F, capital E, 1 out of 16. So my probability, 1 out of 16, if I turn that into a percent, all I do is 1 divided by 16, and then multiply it by 100 to get 6.25%. And I can go over that probably on Thursday in a video. I'll go through it step by step. But all you have to do, again, 1 out of 16, divide it, 6.25%. Capital F, capital E, lowercase e. I've got 2 of those. So that's 2 out of 16 or 1/8. Again, I divide 1 divided by 8. I get 0.125. I multiply that by 100 for a percent, and I get my 12.5%. And this, again, all of your percents should add up to 100%. All of my fractions added up to 16. I had 16 boxes, so the math will work out there. So I'm going to take a problem similar to this on Thursday. We're going to work through together. And I am going to have you guys do the calculations as well, just so I know that you've got it. Make sure you are checking up on Study Island. Make sure you are asking me questions as often as you can. These videos only get made when you guys are asking questions. So those of you that did this and were active on Google Classroom earlier today, I appreciate you. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out, and I will be posting more videos. Good night.